Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 23rd और आज this is 7:30 AM और आज forecast है that is a windstorm warning and if possible everyone should stay home. And if you see around me, it's kind of raining and forecast is until I think 11 AM 11. So अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं है. I just saw it's raining, so I just put on these good boots so I don't get my toes wet. And I don't see it's windstorm warning, so it's kind of good. 7:30 AM, nobody's around. I can see one girl going. I don't know if she's coming back from work, I guess. So let's see how bad is going to be a windstorm warning that's been told by forecast department. So now let's show you guys how it is. My hand so complete wet. Guys, so now it's 10:29 morning and the weather is getting worse. So हमारे ऑफिस वाले बोला go बेटा go, घर जाके काम करने का. Nobody should stuck over here. So I'll show you how bad the weather is. This is how bad. And this is going to be worst. So it's gonna be worse. तो हमारी कार ऐसे हिल रही थी हाईवे पे. अभी हमारे ऑफिस में कुछ लोग हैं, दे आर टेकिंग टैक्सी जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से आते हैं. आई हैड माय हस्बैंड सो ही केम टू पिक मी अप एंड अदरवाइज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक वी हैव बट दे आर नॉट कमिंग. दे हैव देयर कार्स, दे आर गोइंग बाय देमसेल्फ एंड so yes, how the weather is right now. It's bad. It's getting bad. It's not yet bad. तो हमारी गाड़ी हिल रही है, तो it's gonna be very bad after 1 hour. Yeah, this is like kind 60 to 70 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड में विंड चल रही है. and it's gonna be more worse. So टेम्परेचर भी डाउन होने लगा है. तो मॉर्निंग में रेन हो रहा था and now it's freezing. It's still raining, it's just that the temperature is going down, so it's freezing rain now. So I'll update you. Let's see how the condition is going to be after 1. This is 10:36 now. Here everybody's so cold, and look at that guy over there. He is like this. For guy you see there, that's for cleaning the sidewalk actually. So there would be a lot of people who will be walking, maybe transit, taking a transit for them. Yeah. We're trying to do a skit. Oh, did it happen? No. Oh. No. ऐसा ना कि घर में कुछ
winter tire is good.
Yeah. Hey, so you can see it's like around, what's the time? I think it's 2:30 PM. I thought कि मैं 1 घंटे बाद वीडियो बनाऊंगी, but then I got stuck with the work because I'm working from home now once I came back. So if you see around, it was all clear when I was coming. So you can see it's like too much of snow now, and you see at the back is getting bad. And I just came out for like maybe 1-2 minutes just to make this video. My hands, they're already like numb, like what do you call it, frostbite. I'm getting kind of yes, if I stay another 5 minutes and I don't keep my hand warm, they're gonna
actually minus 11. it feels like -21.
Oh, so the current temperature is -11, and because of this wind, it feels like -21. So you can see my lips are also drying up. So this is, let's see how bad it's going to be
Try to
the
open
day.
the garbage bin. You'll see it's frozen.
Is it frozen? Let's try to open the garbage bin. No, not yet. But if you see here,
The other one is
this one, this is also good. Yeah, but if you see, because of the wind, सारा snow एक side पे जा रहा है, and if you see these, this is all snow, but it's not actually snow. It's like you cannot do anything. It's not going, and my hands, they're getting bad. Let's see how worse it goes for this day, and I'll keep you guys updated. See you. It's 8:30, and I don't think it's gonna be that much bad. It's still okay, and wind की वजह से सारा snow हमारी गाड़ी पे भी नहीं हुआ. It's like just went this side, so उड़ के आए. So that's a good thing. हमारा landlord भी अच्छा है. सारा snow एक side पे already उसने कर रखा है. It's just that it's windy, and I don't think it's gonna be more bad. It's just that it's too windy, so you still have. Thank you guys for watching my video, and अभी तक अगर subscribe नहीं किया तो do subscribe. That motivates me, and do like and share this video, and see you guys in the next video. Hasta la vista.